Making a zipper pouch using only one piece of fabric. Easy to follow. Hello crafters, welcome to Anjurisa's crafting room. In this video, we'll have a fun and beginner-friendly project. Making a zipper pouch using just one piece of fabric. It's ideal for beginners because you don't have to worry about complicated steps like main fabric facing up, lining fabric facing down, making it easier to follow along. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start by preparing a zipper. The size of your zipper will determine the dimensions of your pouch. For this project, I'm using a 7-inch zipper, with the total length including the zipper tape is about 8¼ inch. Next, prepare a piece of fabric that is about the same width as the length of the zipper. For my project, the fabric size is 20 by 8 inches. I'm using soft canvas, but feel free to use any fabric that suits your preferences. Start by folding the fabric in half with the right sides together. Press the fold gently with your hands. The folding line should be barely visible. Now place your zipper along this folding line. Fold the fabric again. Then sew along this edge where the zipper will be attached. Even though I already had a previous zipper foot, I recently bought another one without any particular expectations. Surprisingly, I instantly fell in love with this new zipper foot because it allows me to sew the zipper smoothly without needing to slide the zipper head back and forth. After sewing, we can flip the fabric over, then top stitch alongside the zipper to achieve a cleaner look. If you're enjoying this tutorial and want to support my work, consider visiting my Etsy where you will find other exclusive patterns. While I'm just getting started, your visit and feedback mean a lot as I continue to grow my Etsy. Click the link in the description below to explore. Next, we are going to fold the fabric over to the other side of the zipper. Then sew this part again using the same zipper foot. If you are using a different type of zipper foot, you may need to slide the zipper head back and forth to sew a straight line. After sewing, you might need to unzip the zipper slightly to make it easier to turn the fabric inside out. Then sew alongside the zipper once more to finish neatly. While this pouch is made from a single fabric, resulting in a solid color tone, you can create a two-tone version by using two different fabrics. I'll be uploading this tutorial next week, so make sure you're subscribing to this channel and turn on notification so you won't miss any updates. After top stitching, zip the zipper halfway. Then carefully turn the fabric so the wrong side is facing outward. Pay close attention to the zipper head, which will determine the outside of the pouch. To mark this as the outside, you can use something like hair clip or safety pin, as this step is very important. For the side seam here, you can push it towards the inside of the pouch. Repeat on the other side. Push it towards the inside of the pouch, where there's no hair clip. If you want to add your own label, you can do so now, before we proceed with sewing. You can place the label on the outside to make it visible, or on the inside to keep it hidden. Sew this section, leaving a gap on the inside of the pouch to allow us to turn the fabric right side out. Sewing the zipper part here will be a bit challenging because there are multiple layers of fabric, so you can do it carefully or slowly. You can remove the marker, whether it's a safety pin or a hair clip. And you can see the opening here. It's on the inside of the pouch. Trim the side here where the zipper is located to reduce bulkiness in the final pouch. Turn the fabric inside out through the opening. To close the opening quickly, sew a straight line close to the edge of the fabric. For a tidier finish, consider using invisible stitch technique, which creates seams that nearly visible from the outside of the fabric. You can also refer to my previous videos on the top right corner. However, using the invisible stitch method can be time-consuming. So if you're making this project in bulk and need a quick finish, sewing a straight line near the fabric edge can be a more efficient option. After closing the opening, tuck the fabric inside. And the final step is to gently press the pouch to give it a clean, polished look. And that's it! Our simple pouch made from one piece of fabric is finished. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it. If not, you can hit the dislike button and leave your feedback. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. I will try to respond it with shots. See you in my next video. Bye!